What's going on, guys? Today's video is brought to you by Boslla. They reached out to us and sent us out some H1 LED headlight bulbs I'm going to be installing today on the WX. And let's go over what's inside this package. So inside the box, we open it up and there's a nice little pamphlet. Tells you all about their product. So this is their little installation manual. Tells you about if you have any of these headlights over here, and same thing on this side, and then a little bit of more tips and tricks on the back. Now the actual lights, pretty simple. You got the bulb with looks like a little fan in the back, and then the little leads to the positive and the negative. So all we're going to be doing is taking out the stock one, putting this one in, and plugging it in. So these are very simple to install. They're plug and play, and these are the H1 design. So essentially you really don't need any tools to install these headlights, but I'm going to be using a 10mm ratchet and a flathead screwdriver just so I can take the light out and make it a little bit easier. So in this model year, we're going to be taking off this back cap, and this is where we're going to be installing the new light. All you got to do is disconnect these two here, and this is the positive and the negative, and this is where the new light's going to be connecting. There's a specific way that this has to go in. It has a flat edge that will be going against this little piece in here, which I'll show you. So the flat piece will be going up against this ledge here, and then the light will perfectly fit in. So what I ended up doing was getting the light positioned most of the way in. You have to push this latch around the base here to get it locked in, and then there's just a little bit more moving you got to do to get it fully locked in place. So it took some maneuvering, but I got the light positioned where the latch is sitting over it, actually holding it locked in place. So in order to make sure the connection was secure, after I connected the new light bulb to the old connectors, I just kind of crimped them down a little bit, and now they're nice and snug in place, and now we'll be able to plug it in and see how it works. One thing you want to know is that you will not be able to use the stock backing cover to that headlight housing spot. So I just positioned mine so it's not just wide open. I tried to position so hopefully the least amount of stuff as possible will get into where the headlight is. So it looks like it's a little hard to tell right now on camera, but you can kind of see the bluish white look of this light versus the yellow of that one. So I'm going to switch that one over and we'll see the nice white lights. One thing to note is that the positives and the negatives are reversed. So when I first turned it on, that actually didn't work. So I switched the positive on the negative from the actual bulb itself, and it worked fine. A little thing just to make sure that you remember to do, and just connect those pretty much backwards, and then it'll work perfectly fine. I'll turn the key right now so you can see what both sides look like with the new LED bulbs. So as you can see, it looks much cleaner on this one because this light is not all fogged up, and this one is, but it might be actually easier to see white on the foggy housing over here. So here's what the lights look like at night. Here's what they look like on the car at night. Really nice and bright. Pretty sweet. So once again, huge thank you to Boslla. They were super cool working with us. We actually ordered the wrong headlights the first time. We weren't sure what style we needed, and we ordered an H11, and we needed the H1. So they were super cool about it and sent us out these products right away as soon as we told them that we messed up. And these are working great. If you guys are looking to buy any of their products, we'll link these lights specifically down below. You guys can go check them out. Obviously comes in great and very awesome packaging. I love the wood look of this. So make sure to reach out to them. It does say it comes with a 1-year warranty, so that is awesome. So if these do not end up working out for you, you still got a warranty on them. So make sure to check them out. We'll have them linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you next time. Peace out and stay wicked.